You can earn money online even if you're under the age of 18. How do I know? Because I am 17 years old and I started making money online at 16. In this video, I will show you 7 different methods that you can earn money, and I have done most of them myself. Now, before I move on to the video, let me clear this up. Yes, there will be some issues like paying taxes or withdrawing your money. Of course, in these situations, you need the help of someone that is over the age of 18, that can be your father, your mother, so you can, withdraw your money, pay taxes. That's how I handled these things. So now let's get to the video. Number 7 is freelancing. Freelancing is one of the best ways where people under the age of 18 can start working and make money. In fact, Fiverr specifically, because the minimum age limit on Fiverr is 13. I've talked about freelancing in so many of my videos. On my channel, I made 5 videos specifically about Fiverr, and I mentioned Fiverr in different videos like I'm doing right now. If you have talent or knowledge in any field, you can turn that into money. For example, if you know a foreign language, you can translate. If you know how to edit videos, you can edit videos. If you know how to program, you can earn money by programming. I also offer services on Fiverr, and so far I have earned $216. I know it's not much, but I'm not doing Fiverr, like I don't go all in about Fiverr. I only do businesses if someone texts me. However, if you're serious about it, you can make a lot of money on Fiverr. Hell, you can even make a living. Number 6 is YouTube. The potential of YouTube is obviously huge. I'm talking about making millions of dollars. Of course, it's not easy. However, it's quite possible to make good money. Let me even give an example. For example, I'm not yet monetized in this channel, but I have studied a lot, and I also have another channel. So when I do get monetized on this channel, my RPM rate will be from $10 to $15, meaning that if I get 100,000 views in 1 month in that channel, I will make $1,000 to $1,500 in a month. That's just crazy. That's more than the minimum wage in my country. But watch out for this. If your native language is not English, you might prefer to make videos in your native language and not in English. But I wouldn't suggest it. I would say to make videos in English, because simply English videos pay you more money. I have some videos on my channel where I explain this in detail. You see, there is a lot of money on YouTube, and if you have any topics that you enjoy talking about, that you have knowledge, that you're knowledgeable about, you can make videos on YouTube and make money. Or you can also make fun videos. There are a lot of categories on YouTube, from cooking channels to those who talk about money, from people who share their daily lives to gaming channels. But of course, every category earns you a different amount of money. Ironically, the most profitable category on YouTube is, again, money. Like if you talk about money, that's the finance niche. Number 5 is being a YouTube editor. If being a YouTuber, getting in front of a camera, shooting videos is not for you, then you can focus on the editing part, and you can edit for those who are YouTubers. Likewise, we can say that the editing phase takes the longest. Like editing videos can take you hours, like 4, 5, 6 hours to edit, or even in some cases days. And if you're good at video editing, you can turn that skill into money. Since pretty much all YouTubers after some point they hire video editors because they want to scale their businesses, and they can't do that if they keep editing their own videos. That takes a lot of time, so they need people to edit their videos. Number 4 is selling online courses. This is the method that can go pretty well with YouTube. If there is a subject that you are knowledgeable about, that can be programming, that can be video editing, that can be photo editing, it can be anything. You can go and teach it to people on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare and make money from it at the same time. Why it goes so well with YouTube though? Because if you have an audience on YouTube, that means these people can buy your course. That means you have a traffic. That means you have potential clients. Of course, when your course is published on these sites, people just simply go and search it on those sites and find you that way, or they can scroll in the main page and they can find your course that way and buy it. Of course, you have to market it and prepare it in a good way so it attracts attention and it's valuable. Number 3 is Instagram. Another way you can earn money under the age of 18 is having an Instagram page. The topic of that Instagram page can be anything, and when your followers and the engagement rate of that page increases, different brands will reach out to you so they can give ads on your page. Let's say that you have a page about cats. In that case, e-commerce websites or brands that sell, cat fur removal thingies, they can reach out to you and give you ads to promote that product. Don't get too hung up on that cat example. That was just example. You can think of this advertising thing on different subjects. After that, you take that video that they provide to you and you share that in your Instagram page, and you keep it there for 12, 24 or 48 hours. That's something you have to talk with that brand, and they pay you for that. And that's it. You just share that video. As with the other methods, with the previous methods as well, you need the help of someone that is over the age of 18, so you can withdraw that money to a bank account, because I'm assuming that you don't have a bank account yet. And in the worst case, if you get bored with that account, you don't want to continue it, you can just simply sell it. Number 2 is selling items you don't use. Now, let's be honest, we all have those items in the corner of our houses that we never use, but we still can't sell them. We just can't. If you have items that you don't use like this, you can sell those on platforms like Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Of course, this is not a money-making method that you can make a living. Now, if your house is a part-time warehouse, I don't know. But this method allows us to make some money so we can invest later in different aspects of our lives, in different money-making methods, in different businesses. Like we can buy a new camera and get a new hobby, or with cameras you can start a YouTube channel or buy an online course and learn new things, get new skills, for things like that. And finally, number one is improving yourself. We come to the last method, and this is the most important. Improving yourself is the biggest and the best investment that you can make. Go learn about different subjects, go learn new skills. Maybe they won't make you money at the moment, but they will be very useful in the future. You can turn any of your talents into money, and the sooner you start, the better off you will be. It's not for me to say in which areas you should improve yourself. Whether you want to learn how to code, or how to edit videos, or how to take better photos, or learn a new language. Speaking of foreign languages, definitely learn English. I'm assuming you already know English since you're watching this video, but learn it well. At this time, I can say it's a must. Like, knowing English is very, very important, and it will open you many doors in your life. In fact, if you also learn Spanish or something, you will come to the fore in many areas. Learning Spanish is on my list too. Aprendí un poco. Everyone's opinion may be different, but all my peers, from what I see, are going through the same type. I look at it when I go to school, and their daily life is exactly the same. Come to school, do lessons, leave school, go and take extra lessons about math or something outside of school, go back home, study again, do your homework, and the other day come back to school. Okay, well, you're working on something that you want, but you don't have a different knowledge or talent in different areas from the others. Math. Good. Well, the other 99% of school does too. I guess I'm in that 1%, but let's not go there. Everyone is doing the same thing. In short, I mean, improve yourself. Go learn new talents, go learn new stuff, and you will see many benefits in the future. By the way, I talked about Fiverr in this video. If you want to start Fiverr and earn money, I would suggest to watch this video here. In that video, I tell you all you need to know about Fiverr in just one video. So, see you again in that video. Bye bye.